This is the finished product. Just giving it a bit of a coat to give it some protection. So I actually ran out of paint. I will need another can there, but it's looking much tidier. Mint. So I got all these goodies to go back in. This will fix all the broken interior pieces. Thankfully I had a wrecked AU Falcon, so I got plenty of spares. Picked these up off Facebook Marketplace last night. They even throw in a couple of sex spec taillights. Pretty ugly, but I'll tidy them up and just have a look. Yeah, I'm going to put these wheels on my other silver ute, so the factory gear wheels can go back onto the Fairmont. I've got a full set of OK steelies that will go onto the white ute, so that's the plan. Managed to find all the parts that I need to get the ute up to scratch, and also found some parts for the Fairmont. To drive about an hour and a half to go get them, so it's going to be a bit of a drive. Here's the goodies. Got the sway bar mount that's buckled, charcoal canister, I forget what it's called, but the valve thing that goes to that's completely missing on this ute. Power steering pump and the pulley that's for my Fairmont, which will be in another video. And I managed to score one brake caliper, so I still got to get the other one. I believe it's a passenger one that I need, but this will be enough to keep me busy for a little bit. So it looked like it had a pretty nasty hit on the sway bar there, so that is completely bent, as well as the sway bar link that is that's dead. Luckily I managed to get a brand new second-hand mount. Big difference there. The second-hand brake caliper that I got had a completely stripped out bleed nipple there. It doesn't look pretty at all, but I've just ground down the side so it's a 9mm. It'll do the trick, but not very pretty. Alright, first little test drive. Hopefully these brakes hold up. Still feel a little spongy, so probably need to bleed it again. Brakes. This has been generally running pretty crap. Sounded like it was running on 5 cylinders, so checked with the spark. Spark seemed to be alright. And then I just noticed that the clip on the injector here hadn't been put on properly. So these little metal tag bits were sticking into the plug and it wasn't actually connected. So sorted that out. Now she runs mint. Oh yeah, that's way faster. Sweet. Got brakes as well. Still coming along nicely. The brakes were such a hassle to get sorted. I got sent a caliper for the wrong side, so I had to wait about a week for that. And then I had the problem with the brake bleeder. But I'm glad that the brakes are somewhat functional. Definitely need to bleed them again. And also really happy that I got the engine running on all 6 cylinders. In the next video I'll be getting the tray back on. I'm going to see what I can do with the paint. I got to fix up some rust and basically just give it a really good tidy up. Thank you very much for watching. Give us a like and subscribe if you like the content. There'll be some videos coming out soon where I restored another AU Ute that I crashed. There's also a Fairmont gear project as well, so stay tuned.